Getting started with notebooks in Microsoft Fabric Intro. Welcome to this quick guide on getting started with notebooks in Microsoft Fabric. Whether you're a data engineer, analyst, or data scientist, this video will walk you through creating and running your first notebook inside the Fabric ecosystem. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable Fabric capacity. Before anything, make sure Fabric capacity is enabled in the admin portal. Without this, you won't be able to access any Fabric features, including notebooks. Step 2. Create a new workspace. Head over to My Workspace and click on Plus New Workspace. Give your workspace a name and an optional description. Under License Mode, select Trial or Fabric Capacity. In my case, I'm using the free version, so I'll choose Trial. Step 3. Create a new notebook. Now inside your workspace, click on Plus New and choose Notebook. This will launch a blank notebook interface where you can begin working with data. Step 4. Explore the notebook interface. Once the notebook opens, you can start using it for data engineering, analytics, data science, all from a single environment. Step 5. Add data to the notebook. Click on Add Items. You'll see two options, New Lakehouse or Existing Data Sources. Since I already have a Lakehouse, I'll choose Existing. Step 6. Connect to Lakehouse. Now choose your Lakehouse and hit Connect. Once connected, you can view your tables and data assets directly in the notebook. Step 7. Run your first query. Let's run our first query. I'll use PySpark to create a Spark data frame, but feel free to use any of the 4 supported languages: Python, SQL, Scala. Our notebooks in Fabric offer complete flexibility. Benefits of notebooks in Microsoft Fabric. Notebooks are a key part of the unified analytics experience in Fabric. Here's why they're awesome. Native integration with Lakehouse architecture, support for multiple languages, built-in version control and collaboration, ideal for data engineering, analytics, and machine learning. If you've used Jupyter or Databricks before, this will feel very familiar. And if you haven't, now's the perfect time to start. What's next? Now that your first notebook is ready, load different tables from your Lakehouse. Try data cleaning using SQL or PySpark, visualize your insights, and even connect your notebook output to Power BI coming up. In future videos, we'll explore building end-to-end data pipelines, connecting notebooks to Power BI reports, best practices for working with big data in Fabric. Wrap Up Microsoft Fabric is redefining the modern data stack, and notebooks are at the heart of it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, follow for more practical tutorials, and drop your questions